welcome.
You don't look too good. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Welcome. Just a little fatigue from the house chores. I'll be fine.
Have you taken something for it?
No, I'll be fine.
Okay. I'll need your help in the kitchen.
I've made lunch already.
You have?
Yes.
Oh, jeez, that's such a relief. Thank you. God bless you. Real good.
Bless you too. So why don't you go freshen up while I...
Yes. Wow.
Has Chizoba spent up to a month, dear? No. She has spent almost 3 months in the city. Money and Kitty. While the crops are here, struggling and trying to survive amidst the weeds. Why would Chris allow her to spend 3 months in his house, knowing fully well that you need her back here? I don't need her. Let her stay there. I don't need her at all, Biko. You see, anytime I see her around here, it just reminds me of my late son. Achorom, Biko. Achorom. Now, what do you intend to do about AFAM, your grandson? Do you want him to become a school dropout? AFAM is already in school now. He's started school in the city. Hey, that is, Chizoba is not coming back soon. I don't know, but all I'm praying for is that when she eventually comes back, she'll go straight to her mother's house. Hey, let me do quite serious. You are right. Let her go. Let her go. The like of Titus are waiting to devour her. Titus. You know, I'm yet to be convinced that that man has no hand in my son's death. Mana, let me ask you a question. Why is it that every time you come here, you want to talk about my daughters-in-law? Okay, you have your own. You never talk about them. Showing concern. I'm only showing concern. But do you realize that even one of your daughters-in-law, Titus, is dating Titus? And you come here and say the likes of Titus, the likes of Titus. All the KB, so that my own will leave Titus for you. No, I don't like your concern.
You're in your house, not a prison. If you're not feeling too well, I don't see any point doing the house chores. You can leave them and take care of yourself, okay?
I'll be fine. I can actually do them.
See, you just come dress up, freshen up and dress up. I'll take you to hospital after taking Lovett and AFAM to the school.
No. There wouldn't be any need for that. I just need an anti-malaria drugs and I'll be fine.
Chizoba, self-medication is wrong.
Yes, I know, but trust me, it's malaria because I've not treated malaria since I came from the village. And the last time this happened to me, I took malaria drugs and I became better.
Okay, fine. If you think it's malaria and you know what it is, it's okay. I will just give you the money to buy the drugs. Or better still, I will give the gate man money to buy drugs for you.
Okay.
Okay? Don't be sick.
My daughter said she cannot understand what is happening to her. That she is feeling dizziness and weakness of the body. And she lost appetite too. She cannot do anything in the house. I told her it's malaria, but deep inside of me, I doubt it. Could it be what I'm thinking? Hey.
I doubt if this is really malaria as my mother said. My entire system is shattered. God, what is wrong with me? Let me wait until I take the drugs Angela will get for me. That girl has been exceptionally good to me. I cannot thank her enough. My phone is ringing inside. I cannot get up from here. Whoever is calling me has to wait.
Chizoba is very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Ah, I wish I can make her my wife. John.
This one, sleeping on duty. Huh? Will you wake up?
Ma?
Sorry for yourself. Well, it's an open secret that you and Chizoba have something going on.
No, ma, not at all. Nothing they happen, no. In fact, I am born again. I am born again. Whatever. Tested and trusted by the Holy Ghost.
Whatever, take this money. Go to New Life Pharmacy and get me anti-malaria and typhoid medication.
Yeah, that's
now.
all.
Yes.
That's all.
Yeah.
Madam, no verse. So, you give wetin I want to ask you.
Let's see with that.
See, wetin he mean? Say, man give woman flower for dream.
And how did you give flower in the dream?
Mama, no verse. So, it's you.
Will you shut up? Look at this stupid. Will you go and buy what I asked you to buy? Stand here and be. Go punish you there, idiots. Okay. See this one.
I will bring change.
Get out!
Yes, ma'am.
Babes. Yes, please, while coming back, can you please branch at Winners and pick up Lovett and AFAM? Yeah. Okay. Alright, thanks then.
Uju, why should NWEKE send Chizoba to the city to live with Chris and his family? Is it proper?
Chinwe, me, I don't know.
Which one is me? I don't know. It's not proper now. Let us tell ourselves the truth.
It's the truth I'm telling you. I can't say anything more than before. I will tell you now. You can't tell. No, NWEKE. That's what I said.
Wait. What do you mean by that?
I say she don't know. See, Chinwe, don't be angry. Are you angry with me? Don't be angry now.
Please, please, please. I don't like it. I don't like it too.
Chinwe,
don't try it again. Don't try it again. Please, I'm not a gossip like you.
Don't insult me. Chinwe, don't insult me. You're calling me a gossip.
Me insulting you? Who started it? Who started it first? Nonsense.
Chinwe, you call me nonsense?
Yes, you call me a gossip.
Are you looking out on me? Chinwe!
The dog baby.
How much did you get it?
950 naira. Madam, the doctor talk say woman will get belle no go take am or something if happen.
Is anybody pregnant in this house?
Why are they talking?
My friend, carry your busy body and go back to the gate. She's about to take it.
Okay. Hey, no be say you don't upload though. If you upload, no take am you go come out.
That feeds you is dangerous, so dangerous. Do not pay, even for good. It's so deadly. Do not bite the finger.
As you can see, I am hell and hearty. Your mother and I have decided to put everything behind us. We've just realized that no amount of fears will bring him back to life. So we have decided to carry on.
It's one of the principles of life. What we cannot change, we learn to live with.
Yeah, I agree with you. You are quite aware that this is our farming season. Of course, you know your mother and I will not do the whole work in the farm alone. So I request you allow Chizoba to return so as to help.
Papa, Chizoba will come back home to start off her business. I don't think she will have time for farming. So therefore, I will give you money to hire laborers to do it.
It's okay. But did you say that she will start her business?
Yes, Father. That is what I have decided for her.
Oh, if you say so. It's okay.
Never be disrespectful, never be ungrateful. What goes around comes around, yeah. God is watching you. Mind how you treat your destiny helpers. Always be grateful.
Your mother sends her regards.
Oh, my mother, how is she?
She's doing well. She's doing well. She actually surprised me. Come and see.
Grateful. What goes around comes around, yeah.
She gave you all these things?
I'm telling you.
That's a whole lot.
Yes. I was surprised myself.
Oh, that's nice of her.
Yes, thanks to her. She did really well. Yeah. Is my wife inside?
Yes, she's inside.
Oh, okay.
It's not dangerous, even for good. It's so deadly. Do not bite the finger that feeds you. It's so deadly. So dangerous, so deadly. Even for good. It's so deadly. The finger that feeds you. Do not hurt them. So dangerous, but appreciate. Even for good. It's so deadly. Do not bite the finger that feeds you. It's dangerous, so dangerous.
Shit, my keys. My office keys, they're not here. Oh my gosh. I have to go back. I have to go choose a person.
Why are you in a hurry?
I'm already late for work.
And so, that's why you want to leave me here like that? Listen, I know I might not be important to you, but you know...
You are important to me. I have an appointment to meet up with, okay?
Your wife is calling me.
Please. Don't pick up until I'm gone.
Why is she not taking her calls? She needs to just pick up.
She's still calling.
Pick up. She's just not picking up.
So deadly. Do not bite the finger that feeds you. It's dangerous, so dangerous. Do not pay evil for good. It's so deadly. Never be disrespectful, never be ungrateful. What goes around comes around, yeah. God is watching you. Mind how you treat your destiny helpers. Always be grateful for more to come. Never be disrespectful, never be ungrateful. What goes around comes around, yeah. God is watching you. Mind how you treat your destiny helpers. Always be grateful for more to come, yeah.
going on here? Where's my husband? His phone is switched off, his car is outside, I don't understand. This is a bunch of kids. Why did I forget them in the first place? This wasn't the best meal I made this morning. Who changed it? Why was it changed?
See who I am caring for.
Why weren't you picking your calls?
My phone was on silent and I just saw the calls. I'm sorry.
Were you here when I walked in?
Yes, I was even talking to you, but you did not respond.
Oh, I had to go pick up my office keys. I forgot them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Where is my husband? His car is outside and I don't know, his phone is not.
Your sweetheart has gone to work.
How? Without his car?
He actually called a sticker.
Oh. But then his phone is switched off. I hope he's safe.
You stress yourself a lot. Listen, our Mother Virgin Mary will never allow anything to happen to any of our children. So don't worry. She will protect him and he's fine. He's safe.
Amen. Amen. Okay, I have to rush now.
Okay.
Oh yeah, your mother called. She said she called you and you didn't take your calls.
Oh, yes, I saw her missed calls as well, and I'll call her as soon as you leave.
Anyways, she said your brother's wife has put to bed 2 triplets.
What? No, you're joking. Yeah. Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus. After 10 years of childlessness, they now have triplets. Yes. I am telling you.
Wow.
Wow.
Then that calls for celebration. We shall celebrate when I come back.
It does, it does.
I have to rush now. Okay, see you in the evening.
Oh God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Yes. Honey? Yes, I'm in the office. I didn't know my phones were switched off. I just turned them on now and I saw your WhatsApp message.
I came back home to pick up my office key and then I saw your car.
My car developed fault, so I called a cab.
Oh. Okay.
Have you gone back to the office?
I'm just about to go back to the office now.
Okay. Okay, good.
Okay, see you later, baby.
Oh, okay. I love you.
Love you too, baby. Bye now. Okay, so I'll see you later.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank God Chizoba noticed her on time. I would have been in trouble.
Claiming she loves me, but biting and hurting me.
Yes, she's gone. You are a genius. You know, say no, they carry last at all. You know, they carry last at all.
You gave me the platform to operate, so you are a genius too. Hey, let me go to the office quickly, eh? My love. What? What is it?
Just like that.
What is it? Hmm? Hmm?
You're going to miss you.
You're going to miss me. You're going to miss me. You're going to miss me. See you soon, eh?
Okay. Bye-bye.
I've heard you, Amuche. What is it? I've heard you.
At least you should answer me.
Now, tell me, what do you want? What do you want?
There is no food stuff in the house, so I want you to give me some money so I can go to the market and get it. Papa, I am talking to you.
Amuche, you are disturbing me. You are free to go to the market. Am I holding you? Go to your market now. Stop disturbing me, please.
Papa, why are you even shouting?
This morning.
Hey, Papa, give me money. I know you have money. There's money in your pocket.
Give me money. Where do you keep the money? Give you money. Which money? Will I die for you in this house? Allow me go. Stop disturbing me.
Papa, okay. You will come back and there's no food for you in this house. No problem.
How long am I going to continue to live like this in my matrimonial home? I didn't even know how it all started. I just found myself in it. My wife nearly caught us today. She nearly caught us.
Are you alright?
I'm fine.
No, you don't look like you're fine.
I know, I'm okay.
Are you sure you're not worried about something?
No, my love.
Okay. I forgot to ask you, why did you change the bedspread I changed this morning? And then I saw the old one was washed.
I spilled drinks on it, so I told she's about to wash it.
Oh, okay. Oh, but babes, don't you think you're stressing Chizoba? You should have left it for me to wash. I mean, she's your late brother's wife. She can't be washing her bed sheet.
I'm sorry, my love.
Are you sure you're fine?
I'm okay.
Okay, so...
yeah. Yeah.
Reserve that your afternoon. In fact, give me good. I am very, very hungry now. In fact, bring my food inside my room.
There is no food.
Is it gonna?
You can join me if you want to.
See, I'm not joking. I am not joking. If I remove this thing from my face,
it is not a joke. I did not cook.
Why?
Papa refused to bring money.
What is his reasons now?
The reason is, did you give me any money to keep for you?
Huh?
Yes. You go to work every day and come back. Yet you find it difficult to support me with a dime in this house. And every time you come back and ask for food. Oh, what are you doing?
Papa, are you not our father in this house? In fact, your duty is for you to take care of somebody like me. Taking care of us now.
Yes. And you are not ashamed of yourself. You're supposed to be ashamed of yourself now that you are back. Put hand in your pocket, give her money to go to the market. It's still early. She can go and come back. Nonsense. Every time continue disturbing me. Give me money. Did you give me any money for you? Do you give me any money to keep for you? Nonsense.
Papa, what do you mean by that?
What do you mean by that?
Brother, Papa is right.
Yes.
You have never supported us with a dime. Rather, you go out with your friends, buy them drinks, give them CHUKWU money. And it's not fair.
If I come there, you will see yourself for mortuary. Look at what kind of temptation is this one? It's like you people plan this thing though. You people want me to die of hunger.
One day, Angela will find out that I'm having an affair with her husband. I wonder how she's going to react on that day. Chris seems to be regretting it now. But it's late.
I didn't know you were here and I was knocking at your door.
Oh, sorry. I decided to come out to receive some fresh air.
Okay, so I happened to visit this boutique today, and then I picked up some lovely clothes for you. Check them out. I know you like them.
Oh my goodness. All this for me?
You're in the city now, so you need to look good.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
It's nothing.
No, you since I came to the city, you've been treating me like I'm yours.
Chizoba, it's nothing, okay? Don't forget, we're sisters from different mothers.
I know. So, your pocket will never run dry.
Amen.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay, it's fine.
I love you.
I'll just go back to the kitchen.
Okay, thank you. It makes me feel guilty each time she portrays this. She's so nice.
Hey, are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, I got some fruits. Let's go take it together.
Here you go again. Must you give me everything?
Yes, I have to. I have to share with someone. Come on.
I thought I am being good. I thought I am being kind.
Hope all is well. Chizoba does not keep to instruction. I have told her to always call me so that I will know what is going on. Anyway, let me call her. My phone is down. Wish they will bring lights so I can power my phone and call her later in the day.
With you.
Mama, I came to plead with you to accept my wife back as your daughter-in-law.
I want her to come back and take good care of my farmlands. I don't know what she's still doing in the city.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Is Titus responsible for your death?
Titus does not have a hand in my death. He is just a troublemaker.
He's responsible for your death. This is how come I know.
Amabi! 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 Where are you? Amabi, come out now! Amabi! Amabi, come out now! Come out now! Yes, what happened to your son? What happened to you?
Yeah. That's called Bugesha.
How many cables are there?
Wait. What did you just say?
What did you hear? What did you hear me say?
So, from what you said, it's obvious you killed my son, Onik.
Well, if that is what you heard, then why asking me? Why are you asking me? I'm asking.
So, you
tell your husband if he does not stop talking rubbish about me before God and man. And so I swear, I'm not cheering you. So now if you look me well. Oh, Moa.
You need the call chalk.
I cannot cheer.
You need the call
chalk.
Because Susu in a bempoa. In a nyachidimike with what?
With everything.
You can't get in nyachid now. That is why you know Namad Ganyachi woman to have because you have no comment. You're a stupid man. You're not even a man. Susu no chago. My friend, get out of
tell you what I
said. Get out of so
tell him what.
Say Sema Baloki stick up one in a dicky fen and gwele. Sema promo came. Oh, chalk. Praying mantis. Zulupu, that's why you've never been able to settle with one woman.
If I'm not Janik, I'm working now. I reserve my comment for you because if he's your husband, I will deal with him.
I want to kill him. If I happen now.
Why did I have to talk with a woman or a woman for that one?
Nonsense. Come for your boss. Now be a challenge. If he wasn't responsible for your death, why did he come here to threaten your father?
Mother, Titus is a troublemaker, like I said before. I have told Chris, my elder brother, severally about him. He is innocent. He's just an entitled vessel.
One more question. Your wife, Chizoba, did she know you had appendicitis?
No.
Why do you want her back?
Chizoba is my wife and not my brother's wife. I don't like the way she's being maltreated. If Chris, my elder brother, needs a nanny, they should get one. I want her to return back to this village, at least to take good care of you and Papa.
But Chris is taking care of your son. He's paying his school fees.
I applaud him for that, but I want my wife back home.
No, please. Go inside and sleep now.
Nani? You're back.
Yes.
No. So how did the meeting go?
Well, I have made official report, so he will be summoned by the next cabinet meeting. He has to explain why he killed my son and the reason behind his threats. I told them everything.
I'm a bit confused. I don't know what to believe again.
So, the most important thing is that I'm avenging for my son's death. And that is what I have started. The process is on.
But you said that He's not the one that killed him.
Who says what?
Onyeka. He said that it's not Titus that killed him, so we should let him be.
Maybe it's okay for Onyeka.
Okwanamlo. He appeared to me in my dream as I was lying here. It was like he was standing right there.
So you saw Onyeka in your dream?
Yes. He said we should not. In short, you need to go back. Go back to Igwe and Elder of Council and tell them. Just, in short, withdraw the case.
It is not possible. I must avenge for his death. I must avenge for his death. Titus must explain to Igwe and the Royal Council why he threatened my life.
He said that all that thing that, all the threats from, what's his name? Titus, that they are all empty threats. No.
The bullet goes out before the sound. Let me tell you, when my father was alive, he kept telling me that the bullet goes out before the sound. The eyewitnesses are the people that hear the sound. The ones that are targeted are down already. No. So you want to tell me that I should wait until I'm down? No. Then the eyewitness will tell my story. Gone too soon.
Let me tell you the thing here will not knock out. There's nothing in it.
Please, let me.
That's what your son said I should tell you.
I don't want to. See, let me tell you something.
It's
okay. The dream you had has something to do with reality.
Okay. Let me continue with my sleep. Maybe I'll have another kind of dream that will tell us how we'll make money and become big man.
Titus, why did you tell my friend such a thing? That he will seal his anus. What do you mean by that?
Yes, I know. I will seal his anus, and he shall no longer discharge waste matter from his body again. Hey, warn your friend, if he doesn't take time, what happened to Onyeka will equally happen to him.
Chemu, are you saying that you are responsible for Onyeka's death?
Onyeka is gone and gone forever. Warn your friend. If he doesn't take time, I will make him urinate in his trouser. That is what I said.
How can you make an adult urinate on his trouser? How?
An adult, yeah. Are you surprised? No problem. Don't worry. I will start that with you.
Mbao.
Kankebomba.
Mbakwa piko. Eso kwam.
Ikeweso.
Mbano. No, I'm not there. Hey, I'm not there. Mba. No, please, I thought. Mbao.
Useless people. Useless, hopeless people. Amobi will never know peace until he returns my ancestral land. Anwofia. Kevin Abalofa. Kaina genanyu.
Are you okay? I'm okay, fine.
You're raising your trouser.
Yes, Titus did this to me. Titus is an evil man.
God forbid.
But I will kill Titus.
Please don't go and enjoy your life. He will kill you.
Look at what Titus did to me. Look at him. You know, I cannot control it anymore. Look at what Titus did to me. Sorry. Hey, Titus has finished me. Titus. No, Titus.
What exactly do you want from me?
Titus, I have suffered so much in the hands of my husband, kinsmen and their women. Please, help me recover the land they forcibly took from me after the death of my husband. Please, help me.
I'm sorry you came to the wrong person. I will advise you go to the Igwe, who is the mouthpiece of the downtrodden.
No, they warned me. They want me not to go to the palace to make any complaint. Please, that thing you did to Mr. Albert, please, help me tell them so that they can give me the land. I beg you, please. Please.
What did I do to Mr. Albert?
You made him urinate in his trouser.
Is that what he told you?
Yes, I saw it myself. Yes, I saw it. Please.
How much will you pay me?
Titus, I don't have money.
You don't have money? Then you go to Amobi. Amobi has money. After all, he has been the person enjoying what your latest husband left behind. Free of charge, without paying a dime.
Okay, Titus, okay. I will give you 5,000.
5,000. You give me a farmland of my choice.
Farmland? Okay, I agree.
Who is the head of your husband's kinsman?
Mr. Jonah.
Jonah?
Yes, sir. Titus.
You can go.
Good afternoon, Albert. Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. You understand? Yes, no problem. Please.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
That is why I like you. Hmm? So you hear from me.
No problem, sir. Elijah, what is it? Why do you come here?
Jonah, didn't you hear what happened between Albert and Titus?
I heard it.
And your late brother's wife reported you to Titus. And he's out to deal with you if you and your kinsmen did not return that piece of land you collected from her.
I am not afraid of Titus. Yes. He cannot do me anything.
Eh?
Yes. Tell him that I, Jonas, said that.
Who should go and tell him? Me?
Yes.
God forbid. I reject it. Me, go to that evil man.
That's not my business.
Jonah.
I'm out.
You are leaving?
No, I'm staying.
Jonah, that man got a phone.
I'm staying.
You are leaving just like that. Hey.
So, would you have the guts to report me to the Titus?
Jonah, you don't have to blame her. She's a poor widow. Please calm down.
Poor widow, you said. Well, tell her that I am not afraid of Titus. But anytime I see her close to that piece of land, she will see what I will do to her. She will regret it.
Jonah, please listen to me. Listen to me now. It's not easy now. To be a widow is not easy. Please.
Send my message to her. She thought he has reported to the highest authority. I will deal with her. I will tell her that I am Jonah.
I know. Please, don't think like that now. Please calm down. What kind of trouble is this now? I told you not to go to that piece of land, but she wouldn't listen. Hey, Uju did not even report this issue to a good person. Is that Titus, that wicked man? Hey, what the way go?
Are you stupid?
Yeah.
Huh? No. Is something wrong with you?
No, ma'am. I'm okay.
So why did you keep me outside for past 30 minutes? Go inside, pack your things and get out. You're leaving this house this minute.
Madam, it be like say you don't forget. I'm an orphan. If you pursue me come out now, I go. You know say I go die for streets. I beg.
If you like, be an orphan, and I don't care if you die. Pack your things and you're leaving this place this minute. You're leaving this house. How dare you keep me outside for the past 30 minutes? How dare you? Are you still kneeling down? Come on, will you stand up and pack your things?
Madam, no verse. I don't know what's in. I don't know as the thing take happen. If let's say that time my network come there for sure to the travel.
My friend, get up and down, pack your things. What is wrong with you? Get up and down, pack your things. Are you still talking to me?
Oga never pay me. That previous one, they never pay. I beg.
Welcome. What's going on?
Can you imagine this idiot? He had the audacity to keep me outside for the past 30 minutes.
What?
Look at his face.
John, what happened? Are you insane?
No, not at all.
Are you alright?
You know what? Just get out from my sight.
My network they work well. Na mistake.
So why did you lock your madam outside for 30 minutes? Why did you open the gate for her?
You get one devil why can't enter me?
Is that devil that will kill you? It's the devil that will kill you. Get out from my sight!
My sister from another mother.
Yes.
My sweet sis, please. I want to beg you on his behalf. Forgive him. He will never try it again. I will caution him myself.
You know, just get out from my sight. Get out!
Go now.
What? Where is he going to? Come on, will you run out?
Come on, pick this pillow. You can't tell.
I'm just tired and hungry. Is there any food in this house?
I prepared a wonderful meal. You will love it. Very tasty. No? Sorry. Lele? Come out.
Let me quickly rush back to the office, eh?
Okay, no.
See you.
Claiming she loves me, but biting and hurting me.
I no can understand wetin dey happen for this house at all. I no can understand am. Oga talk say make I no even open gate for anybody at all. Make I no even try am or think am. Now small thing, madam for don sack me comot for this my work wey I dey manage like this. Chai, this life no balance.
Albert, go and tell Jonah. Tell him that I said that the battle line has been drawn. And we shall meet at a court at no distant time. Just tell him that.
No problem, we'll go later.
It's not something of later. Go there immediately. Tell him that I said that he's playing with fire. Tell him that.
The problem is not that I don't want to go. But the one I went last time, that boy dealt with me.
Why? Is he mad?
As I'm speaking with you, I can no longer comfortably stay in my house. He promised to deal with me anywhere he sees me. Yes.
There's no problem. Just go back to your house. Leave the rest for me. I will take care of everything.
I can go back to my house.
Just go.
Okay, thank you very much.
Go.
Thank you.
Big Jonah, I will use this Jonah to set example in this community. He must surely know this stuff from me. I heard what your brother-in-law said against me. I will teach him a lesson he will never forget in his life. And also use him to set example in this village.
Uncle, that's why I'm here. I've actually settled with him. And he promised to return everything back to me. Yes.
Here is my plot of land.
Uncle, he has not returned the land yet, but he promised to return it to me. Yes.
lie to me?
It's gonna kill
Tell me
me
the truth.
Ask him.
Has he returned the land to you?
No, he has not.
And why did you lie to me?
Uncle, he threatened he will kill me if I did not tell you that he has settled with me. Yes, he said he will kill me. Uncle, please don't kill me.
Is that what happened?
Yes. Please, no, that's kill me. Oh.
Then, you can go. You will hear from me soon.
No, please. I don't want trouble. I'm not even interested in the case again. Please, Uncle. Please, I don't want trouble.
That means that you're a fool. Now, leave my presence. Get out of here.
Please.
Please, whatever that made you to come, you have to be brief about it. You know time is money. I want to go to Mama Nkechi's house and collect money.
I came to find out what your daughter did to win the heart of her late husband, parents and brother-in-law.
My dear, my daughter did nothing. It was only the grace of God that made those things possible for her.
Child, why? Why is this God not fair to me? Why? He allowed Jonah, his mother and sisters, to take everything their late brother left for me and my 6 children. Why?
Uju, lamenting will not solve the problem. If you want to collect those things back, just go to Titus, go and meet him, discuss with him.
I have done that, but Jonah did not take it lightly with me. He did not.
How can Jonah take it lightly with you when he knows that his end is at hand?
He will not. He forced me to go back to Titus and tell him that I've settled with him. He forced me.
And you did that?
Yes.
What else do you want me to do for you?
Anything. Please, I beg you. Anything for me to win their heart. I beg you. Anything.
Uju, did I not tell you earlier that my daughter did nothing in order to win anybody's heart? It was just the grace of God, which came in disguise through the husband's death. That was all. Nothing again.
No, stop.
Please get up. I am not God. I will. Do you want me to kneel?
No, please, I beg you.
Get up.
Please, you do anything for me. I beg you.
Get up now.
You're talking to me like this?
Talking to you, who are you? Who are you?
Chizoba!
Let me tell you something. Go inside there and tell your wife that I will not leave this house. I will not leave this house, not in this condition, not when I am pregnant for you.
Pregnant? Pregnant? Well, look at me!
Hey.
Which pregnancy? Which pregnancy?
Do you want to eat me up? Oh, need no menu. Didn't you know inside me?
You are what?
Honey?
Why are you asking that question?
Honey?
You are what?
Why are you asking that question?
Honey, don't listen to her.
You're telling me to answer you.
She has gone out of her senses.
It is you that is mad.
Honey, look at me.
You're not all right.
Don't listen to her. Whatever she's saying, she's a liar. Okay. She's evil. Honey, look at me.
If you honey her, you honey me too.
Honey, you know I love you.
If you honey her, you honey me too. We are two honeys.
So the both of you have been doing this for so long.
Oh my God, we've been doing it. We have been doing it.
Chizoba, why are you doing this to me?
Doing what?
Why are you doing this to me?
Doing what to you?
Stop it! I'm warning you.